Hi, my name is Dr. James Thomas. I'm the Medical Director of the West Yorkshire Integrated Care Board, and I'm also a practicing GP. Um, First of all, I'm just sorry I can't be with you in person this evening, as I know I would have loved to have met many of you and caught up with you and really heard about the great work that's taking place across our community pharmacy teams. However, I know that Ashley and the team have highlighted to me that there will be further opportunity in the future where I can attend in person. So I look forward to that. Uh, so, um, but I want to start off with kind of as a West Yorkshire integrated care system, we are very clear that in order to support our ambitions as a partnership, we need to work collaboratively and ensure that when decisions are made, they're made as close to those that are delivering the care to people. So I know tonight there will be discussion on exciting new services that you're part of with Pharmacy First. But given this opportunity, I wanted to use this opportunity in speaking to you to acknowledge the huge amount of work that you and your teams in our community pharmacists are doing in the heart of our communities now and over the years to ensure our citizens in West Yorkshire get the care and their medicines we all wish to deliver. I know that there are over 500 community pharmacy organisations across West Yorkshire, and each of you not only employ but support a wide range of colleagues in our workforce, and in doing so, support patients as they navigate the NHS to get their treatments and advice. I'm also the vaccination lead in West Yorkshire, and I've also seen over the past few years how you have stepped up when asked to support the delivery of the COVID vaccine and with flu vaccination, and especially into those communities where our vaccine services are hard to access. So I want to use this opportunity again to thank you for the support that you've given and the part you've played in the delivery of the vaccines across West Yorkshire. There is no doubt from my experience of working with local community pharmacists over the many years as a GP, how your role and your skill sets have been crucial to deliver the care to patients, to support other health and care colleagues as we all deliver care to our patients. And also personally to me as a GP, as I try and juggle and I understand the continual changes we all see in medicines, whether that's with the drugs and their availability, new drugs on the market, and new guidelines. In my mind, it is working alongside you in our communities that enables me to do what I do as a GP, and I want to thank you for that. So, whilst you all need to be thanked for the hard work that you're doing in our communities, I also acknowledge it's not easy. I know that there's many challenges we see within community pharmacy. I've heard from many of your colleagues about how it's important that we ensure that as a system we can help support you as a vital link in the pathways of care of our patients. I've heard how our workforce challenges in community pharmacies impacts on the delivery of care, how bureaucracy impacts on the time you have to see and support patients, and how the lack of digital and technology resources can limit integration and development. All of these really impact and make what is already an extremely busy and demanding role even harder. And unfortunately, to the point that some of your colleagues are having to make hard decisions on whether to continue with their contract. I know this is happening and I recognise these pressures. But I am hopeful, though, that through the arrangements we are developing, that we're working to develop on our workforce, look at other options to develop to reduce bureaucracy, and working with digital and the medtech sector to integrate and develop solutions to enable you to concentrate on what you want to be doing, and that is what is using your clinical skills to help our citizens in West Yorkshire. So Pharmacy First is really exciting. It is exciting, and we'll look to support our direction of travel of integrating the wider primary care to enable you to utilise your skill sets, to work closer with general practice, with 111 and urgent emergency care organisations, to link up with patients' notes to help you and me as a GP to know more about the patient's health needs and care and what they've been treated with. Pharmacy First will enable us to make greater use of your skills and opportunities to engage with patients, as we've outlined in the NHS long-term plan and in our joint forward plan as a West Yorkshire ICB. It will be part of that shift towards clinical services in community pharmacy, where community pharmacy is an integral part to the NHS. It will enable community pharmacists to complete more episodes of care within the community pharmacy setup and support greater access in the wider primary care for patients. And importantly, I think it will also help strengthen and grow the relationships between community pharmacists and also between community pharmacists and general practice. So I do recognise the challenges you're all facing, but I am really pleased to see that almost 90% of our community pharmacists in West Yorkshire are signed up. And I do recognise there have been some really tight timelines, which again you have responded to. So I'll end my talk here by thanking you again for all the work, the care, the commitment that you have all shown and continue to show to ensure that we can work as a system together to allow us to do the job we do, and that is to look after and care for the people in our communities. We know and have seen how real change happens in real work, and it is the process you use to get to the future that is the future you get. So with us working together, being ambitious for our people and seeing diversity as a strength, we will start to see a fairer, innovative system working in partnership to ensure high quality, safe services in which community pharmacists are a key factor to its success. So thank you and have a wonderful evening.